Look, it's day 168 of day trading the stock market open. We once again have no after open momentum. You're probably thinking, but the open hasn't happened yet. Yeah, I know, but there's no decent setup. This one, maybe GWH, if this holds, maybe. But it is what it is. We're getting some people that are getting upset that I'm not pushing the envelope here, but it's like there's no envelope to push. There's not even an envelope to open up right now if you're not trading pre-market. And I'm fine with that. I'll wait. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm comfortable looking for. I know what I'm comfortable trading. And if this ain't buzzing for you, it's all good, baby. It's all good, baby. There are other channels. My day will come where I will rise. But it might not be today. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be patient. We're going to stick to our plan. And we're going to trade at the best of our ability. All day, every day. I'm 50 Tyson. Nook, if you book, boy. Nook, if you book, boy. Nook, if you book, boy. Alright, SLE. Do something that isn't going to be absolutely horrendous. Halt up 529. Oh, it's right under VWAP halt up. How inconvenient for us. It's going to be the plan. I need more time for... QNRX. Let's change the scans here. Alright, what's ELMB? You only have 290,000 shares traded. You don't have news. The more I talk about it, the more sketchy it's getting. Let's see if there's any larger stocks moving. No, everything's around the like 20%, 30%, 40% range. GBX is looking like it wants to make a push towards VWAP SGBX. See if it gets past 6. Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. Many shares traded. Oh, there's 6. Oh, good thing I didn't take 6. How many shares traded? Okay, well, figure it out later, I suppose. Zoom out, let's see what MACD is looking like for GWM. Literally non-existent. Might be able to make something work here for SGBX. Under VWAP, though, so the risk will be higher. Buyer 602. Nice. Speeding up, speeding up, speeding up. Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. Run a man, run a man, run a man, run a man, run a man on that beat. Oh, GWH on the nasty candle. QNRX up 100%. These spreads are going to be massive. QNRX. Yeah, that was up. I pulled it up and saw a 60-cent spread right out of the gate. And a possible halt down. Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. All right. Well, GWH is our only savior, maybe. I got that fresh fade haircut. Y'all know about it. Y'all know about this. Faded. Something else has got to pop up, right? Right? Look at this pre-market action. It was just fantastic for GWH. People probably ate And then move. Let's see if we get some action after open. Come on now. Come on now. SGBX looking for 6 again. There's 6. Ping ponging under 6 again. Bid was just at 597. Okay. Gotta be quick on this. It just showed 617 and now it's back at 590. That's so terrible. Then again, it's under VWAP, so bears are in control, so we shouldn't be too surprised. No news. Oh yeah, I already looked at that one. That's right, I remember. QNRX halted down. It's tough looking out here. We got no buying momentum above VWAP. 0. Nothing. No opportunities right now. Let's get GWH, just get a monster candle out of nowhere. Cover up some shorts. Send it sky high, baby. Break 371, break 382, and then just start picking off these levels. Break 4. Oh, hey. Speak it into existence, my boy. Let's go. Get past VWAP. Run a man on that beat, yo. Alright, got slapped. It was looking so promising right there. It was looking so promising. Anything else moving? Oh, it is Friday after all. Forgot it's Friday. So something else might not show up, honestly. This might be all we get today. CLSX. Nothing. Nope. Yep, looked at that. FMFC. Not enough volume. LFS. LFS, we'll check that. It's at 26 million shares outstanding. Yeah, everything else is just kind of Gross. SGBX, what's your halt down? 536. Right above this daily level. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? wait. This one's too close to VWAP. I think we gotta go with 382 there. Especially with how rough this has been. I mean, look at this. This pullback is just... Then again, if it does move, if we are patient enough to sit here and watch this recover, all of these shorts right here are gonna be bombing. So that's what I kind of want to stick around a little bit for, to see if that happens. Until then, we're in the passenger seat, unfortunately. We're gonna wait. Gonna wait for a clean move. I'm gonna have to make a phone call here in a second anyways, so I guess this is probably a good time to do that. What SGBX do again? Oh, SGBX could squeeze out some shorts too. Holy smokes. I didn't realize I got up to almost $10, baby. Well, let's get this. These are the two stocks that we need to be cheering to get above VWAP. Get this back in bull territory and flip the script on all the people that got short here, 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 here. Let's flip the tables on them, baby. No, sir. No, sir. All right, GWH, you're looking worse and worse as you make a new low. All down to 75 down here by this daily level. Volume profile, horrendous. Anything else? Is there anything else? SLE, FLUX. Nope, not enough shares traded. Not enough volume. LFS, already looked at that. There's not gonna be a Friday night surprise. I got another one on the list here. What is $28 stock? All right, well, we're trying to find something. Nope, I've already seen all those. Already seen all those. Gotta make a phone call. Because I'm a gangsta 245. I think that's why all the kids are saying like 6'7" is just because other songs that we grew up with had numbers in them, and we did the same thing. And now we're like, yo, that's so dumb. But it's like 345. We got 369. We got 281 330 8004. Even before that generation was Jenny's number, which was what? What's her number? Forgot that song. I don't know. Anyways, what an absolute horrendous Friday this is. I will say, if we cut it now, it'll be green. It'll be green on the week. It'll be green on the month. I'll be negative 50 cents on the month. Which is pretty good after a rough start on October 1st we had. But this week has been pretty nails when it comes down to... Actually, let's go back a month. I just feel more dialed, you know? Let's go through these stocks again. Yeah, I mean, I think it's really just the same thing. If GWH is gonna have to pull itself out of the garbage, and same with SGBX, those are really our only opportunities here that I think I'm gonna see. And I'm not gonna sit here and waste my whole Friday waiting to see if a stock's gonna move or not. That is what we're not gonna do, bud. All right, GWH. I see you putting together a higher low there. Now put together another one, and another one, and another one. And then break VWAP. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Is the shorts time over today, GWH? Get past VWAP. Problem is EMA is all the way down here at 342. We don't want another candle looking like this. That is a 8% L. Zoink scoops. Hold green. Hold green. This is great volume. Hold green. You got 13 seconds to hold green. We got the EMA problem here at 343. So I don't want this to blast through VWAP. I don't. I would like maybe 5 more minutes. Maybe 5 more minutes. I got 5 on it. $365. Decent bounce on that 200. Let's see what happens. Because look, last time it ran into VWAP, rejection, 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 dump, test it, rejection one time, dump. Kind of tested it here, but not really, not that close. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If we get a smaller rejection, I think that would be considered a win. Small buyers, 350. Don't get eaten. They got eaten. Okay. Right back to 356. EMA is still going to be a problem. It's down there at 346. Let's check down to MACDs. Got him. Got him. QRNX halted up. Is EMA going to hold? Is EMA going to hold? EMA at 346. Hold. Hold. Come on. No. You gave the people 2 candles. That's it. 2 candles under VWAP. That's it. Well, let's be patient because we knew EMA was going to be a problem. We knew that. We knew that. There you go. Da, 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 da. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Buzzing, buzzing, it's buzzing, it's buzzing. 360. There's 360 through 364. Rejected off of VWAP. Don't dump, don't dump, don't dump. Stay strong. Hold the line. 357. EMA's what? 350. Yikes. It's gonna be tough. There you go. Is he gonna hold? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go green. Oh, red candle. Ugly. It's ugly. Technically, that's not a lower low. Held the floor there at 345. Ah, there it is. There's a lower low. Right. It's a bummer. One. Is SGBX going to come out over the 200-day moving average here? QNRX is now 169%. Another halt up. What happened last time? Last time we got the 64 and then jackknifed. Okay. Hold 80. Hold 80 would be nice. But there's a lot of time on this candle still. 83, 20 seconds. Ah, bummer. With the fake move over the 200. That's tough eating. GWH. $96, $99. There's 6 again. 605. $200 at 91. EMA down at like 80. 10 seconds until a new minute. Man, those wicks are just nasty. Nice green on the tape there, followed by the red. I'd feel much more comfortable if this was above VWAP. There it is. It's not a great candle. Hammer candle, big red. I mean, it's not great. Ugh. $12. Back to 4 on the bid. 3-cent spread. Nice. Candle closed green, just barely. Is this gonna dogfight its way back to VWAP? That would be something for the... That'd be a story for the ages. This is looking like it might come test VWAP. One minute to make a new high. Not very convincingly, but this is a grind. Look at this. All of these candles are a slow grind, which is not great. But we'll wait. We'll wait to see if this gives us some action. If it gets above VWAP, we got that. Got that. A minute. And again, not a great candle. Look at those two volume bars are bigger than the other ones, and they're red. See if 50 holds over here. Four, three, two, one. Another green volume bar that's lower than the reds. At least it's a green candle nonetheless. Get through 620. And go reject off of VWAP. Come back to EMA. And I will take a shot at your EMA bounce. $6.17. QNRX is halted up again, 217%. Let's get some of that momentum over here. Tough 1 minute to make a new high. Come on. Go ping off of VWAP there. Come on now. There's green, followed by red. Halt up 671. EMA 612. "25 seconds. This candle, if it closes green, will be nice. Will be nice. Oh, no, 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 no. It's going to close red. Look at that volume. This has got a lot more time to cook, unfortunately, if it's going to go. 200-day moving average. I'm going to try for hold of 6. Oh. Okay. Got a little shaken out there. What if this regains that whole candle? Ooh, wouldn't that be a treat? A lot of red there for GWH. Held pretty well though. Down goes SGBX maybe. Halt down 555. Brutal. Brutal. One halt up, two halt up, three halt up, four halts up in a row for QNRX. $104.5 million private placement. All right, well, I feel like two things could happen if I stick around. One, I could trade some B quality setups. Two, I could trade this stock, which is out of my price range, out of my comfortability zone. And that's kind of my only options, I guess. Or I just keep sitting here. It's been almost an hour. It's been almost an hour. I'm hoping, and that's kind of why I'm sitting here so long, that QNRX up 217%. I'm hoping we get some momentum somewhere else, some sympathy plays, some little spark, a little pizzazz, a little this, a little that. And some of these other stocks, especially the ones that have already moved this morning. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. New minute. I kind of want to play 6 here. Oh, missed it. 610, missed it. Interesting move. Maybe this was the plan to stick around. Let's go. All right, now you can reject back to 604. Now you can halt up 658. Now you can reject back to 614, I mean. 614. $37.40. What's that problem at? 664. Oh, that's right at halt up. We're gonna hold VWAP here. EMA is 30 cents lower. Nice. 67. Halt up, move to 675. Finally something over VWAP. Let's go. Now let's not get too anxious here. Let's wait. Let's wait for a good entry. Let's wait for a good entry. New minute. Half risk off. All right, not the greatest trade in the world, but it was a play I wanted to take nonetheless. Feel a little more confident when EMA gets above VWAP. Halt up, move to 690. Buzzing. Oh, okay. Not a real convincing candle there. So far, at least. No. Don't do that. $20 until a new minute. 1 minute to make a new highs over 645. Unless it breaks it now. Four, three, two, one. New minute. Oh. Garbage. Garbage. That was garbage. All right, let's not waste too many trays in the chop. Let's wait for the right move. New minute. Break that 664. Halt up 697. EMA, baby. EMA testing VWAP. Let's go. We need more green volume to push that through. We need more green candles. No, we don't need that. Tough. Get rid of this. $20 until a new minute. Nine, 8, 7, 6. There's a break. Halt up 704. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. This could get fun. This could get fun. Settle down, though. Settle down. Settle down. Daily level right there that's flirting with. Boom. Through it, halt up is 719. All right, we could use a healthy pullback here. EMA is still down at 650. It's 50 cents away. Another pivot point at 733. Whoa. Things are starting to feel a little imbalanced, aren't they? Not strong enough to get to a halt up, though. Halt up moved to 749. Okay, that's not a great looking candle. Is he gonna hold 7? Sheesh. Held 7. So I'm gonna try to. Okay, this might be tough. Hold 7. Hold 7. Hold 7. Hold 7. Using 7 as. Oh no, 680. That should have been my entry. Instead, I'm selling there. That should have been the entry, and instead I was selling there. Got a little too aggressive with that 7. Uh-oh. Got me again on 7, didn't it? Oh, now it's back at 7. Getting shaken out here around 7. Let's chill out on the 7. How am I getting filled at 7:15? All right. Calling it a day. Whenever that decides to sell. Gave it a shot. Gave it a shot on decent front side, decent MACD. Running out of cheddar here, getting kind of chopped out on the wicks. Closing it up. Closing up a green week. Just barely, but closing up a green week. I'm out of here. Spread love. Be good to each other. Peace.